What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of the Burp Show. And today, you guys, I'm back with another video. I am doing a challenge. It was created by your girl, Pizza and Eats. And today, we're going to do her no burping challenge. Alright, you guys. So what's going on with this challenge is, you have food. She's eating collard greens and all that. Have your food. But you got to do 4 things. First thing you gotta do is you gotta burp your name, right? You gotta burp your YouTube channel name. So for me, it'd be right? You gotta burp your channel name. Second, you gotta say the word no as long as you possibly can. Third, you gotta say dingleberry. That's what her daughter created dingleberry. And fourth, you gotta say tidy whitey. Don't ask me why. In her video, she said that Dr. Pepper is the Dr. Pepper makes you burp. When she was looking at channels, she was saying that people were eating more Dr. Pepper. But anyway, you guys, today what I got to eat is I got some pork and beans, which is my favorite. Pork and beans really is my favorite. And I got some fried chicken, which I know I love that fried chicken. Pork and beans and rice, fried chicken, and we're gonna do this burping challenge. Let me get a little bite. Like I said, this thing ain't hot. Something wrong. I won't have to come in at the wrong y'all. I just right. I told you I ain't been eating all day. I was lying. Okay, I ate. Yeah, I know. Alright, guys, we're not using this one because this one actually, when I was taking it out the freezer, it got frozen, so now it's slushy. So we're going to use the unfrozen one. As soon as I took this one was the first one to come out, and I was like, dang it, this second one's going to be frozen. But it didn't turn out frozen. I'm not slamming it either, because y'all know if y'all slam it, it'll become frozen too. And we ain't trying to do no experiment. We trying to eat. And you guys, also in this videos, we're going to do some shout outs. We're going to do a giveaway too. Alright, guys. Excuse me. So this is how the giveaway is going to work. Throughout this video, I'm going to be talking, so you got to listen really good. I'm going to say my favorite color 3 times in a row. But you're not going to tell me that what my favorite color is that I say 3 times in a row. You're going to email it to me at thefatboishow@gmail.com. Because if you put it in the comments, then everybody know, right? And I'm going to put your guys' name inside this spinner app. I'm going to record myself spinning. And it's going to spin the person who will receive a gift, and I'll email them and inbox them. That's how it's going to go. This thing was sliding just now. Oh, I'll do that. I guess. Yeah, my mom cooked some good pork beans and rice. Y'all, let's go ahead and clap it up. Woo woo. AB, check him out. Woo woo. AB, check him out. Ooh. AB, check him out. Woo woo. Baby, check him out. AB, check him out has got monetized, you guys. So let's give the clap for her. She has got monetized. Her email came through. And y'all will start seeing ads on her channel very soon. That's fried chicken. Yeah, I personally fried this fried chicken. Every time I cook fried chicken, I cook it for 45 minutes in the fryer. I don't got time for blood. Me and blood don't play no game. So how I cook it is I put it on at normal heat and let it cook. Medium high heat. And let it cook just before that golden brown that I want. And I turn it down. Just let it crisp up. You know what, right? Here we go. Here we go. Bite. A bite of that golden chicken. That's why every time I go and get chicken, chicken gotta be golden. I really want to do something. Chicken is so good. Yeah, I want to taste black bean noodles. I want to see what it tastes like. I was watching B-Love's video and she had black bean noodles at this restaurant and it looks so good. I need to try it. I saw one of the nastiest sandwiches in America. So, Vicky Dale and Mama Dale had to do the raw egg challenge. Excuse me. It was something else. It was something else. Literally. Sorry, that chicken tastes good. Picky Dale didn't do it. Mama Dale slurped it up. I think almost came back out. And Blood Feminine Skits created that challenge. Blue, blue, blue. It's like, iron. Oh, come on now. Alright, so this lady named Pinky, right? She's a supporter of the mukbang community. And she challenged several YouTubers to do the 5-course meal challenge, right? And what the 5-course meal challenge is you gotta eat a 5-course meal. Salad, starch, your meat, entree. Dang. Dr. Pepper do make you burp. And you gotta eat it in 20 minutes or less, 90% of your meal in 20 minutes or less. And you can't You can't talk, grunt, moan, none of that. Dance. Can't do none of that. I was just thinking that's very interesting. And probably something hard for me to do. Because I know y'all bullet at the top. I didn't know Dr. Pector was the official college football. No, I found this new YouTuber. Her name is Burping my way. It's like an ASMR channel. It's really some that bacon. She put maple and pepper on the bacon. Look, it's so good. So good. I was thinking to myself, dang, I need to step up and do me a little video like that. ASMR coming up? No, I can't do ASMR. I talk too much. And y'all know I love. If you didn't know, dang, I can't do it. I feel like I'm puking. Boy. What? Man, that's my name. No. No. Damn. What was that just now? That's my name and no. That's my name and no. And just one little scoop. What in the world? Dingleberry. I promise I think y'all trying to kill me. Dingleberry? Oh, I forgot to put the camera on the charger. Hopefully y'all don't cut out on me. I have to do that. Alright, I'll find these new YouTubers. His name is Tristan and Jamil. I think his name is I think Jamil is him. Anyway. They was eating Taco Bell's new $10 box. And I promise you guys, this man, he sounds like Dalvin for Be Less Life. He does. I would like to wish her, I would actually like to wish Dalvin a happy birthday. I'm a day late. Happy related birthday. But I found out from Jews that today was his birthday. When I was watching Mom and Dad on Picky Day today, I didn't know they had something, a little beef or something was going on. Y'all let me know about y'all little beef. It's not like really a beef. I just think someone got mad because they're growing and they're becoming a better channel, and they're out here working and grinding. And now they've stepped on a channel that was bigger than them. They're stepping on their toes. And now they're in competition to the channel that was bigger than theirs. Alright? So I think that's what's going on. So I don't know why people don't like that. We all in here to be family and to grow and to prosper. So just take it as that and keep it rolling and keep it strolling. Anyway. Mama Dale said this very good quote. And she said, who can be against you when God is for you?
And yeah, I'll be honest, y'all. You got some people who gonna be for you, and some people who gonna be against you. Yeah?
But it don't matter, because guess what? Who can be against you if God is for you? So it really don't matter. I mean,
That stuck to me really hard. Because who really can be against you? And God is all you need. God is all you should want, and God is all you should yearn. We're not about to do gospel hour. I'm just telling y'all, I'm letting y'all know. I follow the God Bible. You don't have to. I'm fine with people that don't. I'm just letting you know. You know that about me. And someone else who did a very good saying today was one of my finest. She said, if I'm scared to fail, that means I'm also scared to succeed.
Finally believing in myself, and allowing myself to explore different opportunities and not be so afraid to fail. A failure is an opportunity to learn. I'm trying to, hone in on that. If I'm scared to fail, that means I'm also scared to succeed.
Why are you on this platform if you're scared to fail? You have to fail in order to succeed. That just blew my mind. I think y'all should ask yourself, if you're scared to fail, why are you on this channel? Why are you not on this channel? Hey, I've been burping this whole video then. Anyway, y'all get the gist. Why you being a content creator if you scared to fail? Almost made me hop off this real quick. But anyway, it's time to get to our last two. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Y'all know who I got that from? I got that from Trey Nini.
10, 9, 8, 7, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I've been practicing that thing all day. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't know what that is. The next one. There you go. Why y'all make me do this, Juice? Yeah, I'm stuffed. You know when you stuff? Do stuff no more. I'm throwing in the towel. I'm just playing. Act like I'm not gonna do that last one. That was tight writing. Yeah, for a second I thought my phone messed up, but it's really letting me know it's 10%. So anyway, you guys, I'm gonna close out this video. Congratulations on everybody I've congratulated. Congratulations to everybody I've congratulated. This video is just pop. Congratulations to everybody I've congratulated. You're doing amazing. You keep on pushing, keep on doing you, and you'll make it. I promise you will. I want to thank you so much for watching my channel, because without you, I cannot and will not be here. And also, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and tell everybody what your boy's doing. If you heard, excuse me, if you heard what my favorite color was, because by now I've already said it. I knew when I said it. Don't forget to email me at thefatboyshow@gmail.com. It's also on your camera. Don't put it in the comments, because that means other people will find out. And if you made it this far, my favorite channel is Veggie Pals. So go ahead and put that unicorn, rainbow, and mermaid in the comments, because I want Abby to see what you guys are doing. Peace.